Your motorhome has the Fiat Comfort-Matic gearbox, making it now even easier to drive your motorhome and reduce your fuel costs. You can choose from 2 operating modes, automatic and manual. To start the vehicle, make sure the gear lever is in neutral, marked with the letter N. Once the engine is running, keep your foot on the brake and move the lever down to the central position. From here, you can select either manual or automatic. Make your choice by pushing the lever to the left towards where it says A/M. The mode and gear that you are in are shown on the dash display. If you want to use the automatic mode, just leave the lever in the central position whilst driving. When driving in manual mode, nudge the lever towards the plus sign to upshift and towards the minus sign to downshift. To reverse, shift the lever over to the right and then down to where it is marked with the letter R. When parked or are stationary for a period of time, return the lever to neutral and apply the handbrake.